Talking about the past, Joana Naya Sierra, Catherine Oyola Polo Teacher, Corporación Universitaria del Caribe SECAR, Licenciatura en Pedagogía Infantil, Inglés 3, Montería 2020. A relevant moment in my life was when a long time ago a fellow student had an accident where he suffered a considered cut. I was wondering how, if we were chatting recently, the shock of what happening was so great that we had to improve to help in size. We were retired from the city and we did not have a permanent doctor in the facilities. In less than 5 minutes I saw myself down in asepsis and suturing is one a super important moment for me. Since he left me teacher for life to help to the next world. Since then we have met for a long time and we remember that incident that occurred in less than 5 minutes and we tell ourselves that life in ephemeral that we can lose it in less than seconds.